If your only message is, "We're affordable," you are training customers to leave the moment someone is cheaper. The market has changed. One group shops aggressively for the lowest price and delays service. Another group will gladly pay more for convenience, trust, communication, and peace of mind. Too many shops keep chasing the first group and wonder why margins stay thin. The smarter move is to position your business for quality first customers. That means real teen photos, strong reviews, clear guarantees, transparent communication, mobile-friendly booking, and content that answers questions before the customer even calls. Premium customers are not buying the cheapest repair. They are buying confidence. Picture two shops in the same town. One advertises discounts only. The other showcases warranties, technician expertise, video explanations, and fast communication. The second shop wins fewer price shoppers, but more profitable, loyal customers. If you are tired of racing to the bottom, reposition your marketing around trust, convenience, and long-term value.